They called him a rebel, but he was the calm before every storm. They said he stood alone, but the world still stands because of him. In the burning sands of Karbala, when the sky turned red and the earth trembled beneath injustice, he did not bow. His companions fell one by one, but his courage never fell, because his heart did not beat for life. It beat for truth. Every strike of the enemy's sword only made his light shine brighter. The battlefield and whispered, I did not rise for power, but to awaken the soul of my grandfather's nation. This is the heart of a lion, the heart that never feared death, the heart that beats even today, in every voice that speaks true, in every soul that stands for justice. Ya Hussain! Ya Hussain, 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 Ya Hussain. Not in her heart never dies. Oh, it lies in Hussain. He